Right, it's Tuesday, just nearly 5 o'clock. The babies have been in the aviary for a couple of hours with these 3 baby droppers that are getting a bit big. That one looks like a fantail with its neck, doesn't it? Look at the state of that neck. I'll have to have words with my supplier about that. These have had a lot of food though. They've been pecking at it most for about an hour or so. Breed and wean. They'll have that for a week. Maybe 4 days, I think. I'm just trying to make sure they're eating. Which they are. They haven't had any water all up. I haven't had any water most of the day, so they should be thirsty. See if anybody come for a drink. This will be the first time I've shown them the drink. Oh yeah, look, see? Well, they know what the drinker is. Here comes another red. Come on. Come on. The droppers know how to drink anyway. That's why I don't put the droppers in with the babies all the time, because they bully them. Come on. Look at them all come running. Look. They've not had water all day, near enough. Had water this morning when I fed them this morning. Then I took it away. They've been on the aviary all day, all afternoon. I've just come home, fed them, and then give them water. I should take the droppers away now, and the feeder, and the water. And I'll come back later, and I'll have the same again in a couple of hours maybe. Hello everybody, it's Wednesday the 8th of April. The young birds are in the aviary. They're only in this half of the aviary because I've got birds flying at the minute, but they won't see these because they're not flapping about. They've been on the roof this morning, but with the droppers. Just teaching them how to drink. Beautiful day, nice and sunny. These can spend all day in here. They're not even flapping about. They won't even flap up to the top layer, top level at the minute. So they're just getting used to the surroundings. Weaned them on Sunday. Today's now Wednesday, so it's Sunday. Half a day really. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's only 3.5 days. Pick this one up. So yeah, they know where the drink is, but he sort of gave me a bit of a look then, didn't he? Did you notice that? Any of them got eyes shutting. That tells you that they're not found the water yet. They sit there with their eyes half closed. I'd like to show you the birds that I got out, but I only let them out 10 minutes ago and I can't see them, they're gone. Have a look in here. I've weaned them all obviously and put back the privacy boards so they can all sit on their nests. I've got eggs due to hatch in about 3 or 4 days. 25th I think is the earliest. Yeah, the 25th. So we've got the 25th or the 24th. 24th was the earliest. All within 4 or 5 days of each other, so not long now the second round will be due to hatch, which is good. Right, it's just a progression stage for you, the progression update really about the young birds. Have another little look, shall we? Right. See you later in the next one.